Imagine transforming your health with just one golden spice. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's take a deep dive into turmeric, the miracle spice, and uncover the hacks that can spice up your life. It all starts here. A pinch of turmeric in a warm cup of tea. For centuries, people have turned to turmeric as a natural remedy, and modern science agrees. Turmeric benefits go way beyond flavor. From turmeric tea recipes to creamy golden milk and even turmeric supplements, this spice fits into every lifestyle. But what makes turmeric so powerful? The secret lies in curcumin, its superstar ingredient, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, here's the twist. Turmeric versus curcumin. What's the difference? Think of turmeric as the team and curcumin as the MVP. If you want a natural remedy for your everyday meals, sprinkle turmeric on your food. But if you're chasing maximum health benefits, a curcumin supplement is your go-to. Here's a simple hack to wind down your day. Make golden milk using a turmeric golden milk spice mix. Just warm up some milk, stir in the mix, add a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a touch of honey. This cozy drink doesn't just taste amazing, it supports your immune system, calms your mind, and prepares your body for restful sleep. But why is turmeric a miracle spice? Simple. It reduces inflammation. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation at its root, helping ease joint pain and swelling. Boosts your immunity. Packed with antioxidants, turmeric strengthens your body's defense system to fight off illnesses. Promotes radiant skin. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants can help reduce acne and give your skin a healthy glow. Supports mental clarity. Curcumin improves focus and memory by reducing oxidative stress and supporting brain health, and even improves digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding in breaking down fats and soothing your stomach. Want to try something new? Here's a quick turmeric tea recipe. Boil water, stir in turmeric, black pepper, and honey. It's not just soothing, it helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. From ancient traditions to modern health hacks, turmeric has stood the test of time. So, what's your favorite way to use turmeric? Let us know in the comments below. Spice up your health today. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips. Remember, one small pinch of turmeric could be your golden ticket to better health. See you in the next video.